Hello, I'm here to show you today how I transfer a cross stitch pattern into double weave pickup. It's a fun way of kind of picking up any diagram or any cross stitch and weave it as a double weave pickup, so you get light on dark and dark on light. I finished the cat for my daughter. Now I'm making a heart with paw for my niece, a decorative panel. Before I start, I want to just talk to you about the threading piece. Since I'm doing it in pairs, I'll be doing 2 light and 2 dark warps consecutively in the pattern. Whether you have a 4 shaft loom or an 8 shaft loom, threading will be done as light light, dark dark, light light, dark dark on both types of looms. I'm weaving on my 8 shaft wolf pup, which is 8 shaft and 10 treadles. For the tie up, I have 6 treadles tied up, 1 with the light color, number 2 other half of the light warp, number 3 presses all the light warps, number 4 all the dark ones, 5 presses half of the dark, 6 presses the other half. The same way it is done on 8 shaft loom. 1, 1 and 5, 2, 2 and 6, 3 has 1, 2, 5, 6. Number 4 has the dark side, so all dark up. 3, 4, 7, 8. Number 5 is 3 and 7. Number 6 treadle uses raises number 4 and 8 shafts. So this is the tie up that I'm using here to do my double weave pickup. Let's begin. So here is my graph and I am on this row where I have to raise. Each square represent a pair of white and a pair of dark color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those, and I'll be picking up the pairs. So let's begin. First, I'll raise all the black warps by pressing treadle 4. And since I'm already doing it, it's much easier for me to see where I am. So from the previous row, I'm picking up 1 extra. It's a good idea to clear the shed first so that you don't pick up any unnecessary thread. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those pairs. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next 5 will be pressed down. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I'll be 1 earlier than the other one, so I know where I have to stop from the previous row. Rest is all down, and then here I have 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are pairs of black which I want to bring up. Put it by the fell. Raise shaft, the light color shafts, thread half of it, thread, push it up. The next step is very important because we want to transfer our pickup to the back so that we don't have to do that step again. Transferring the pickup to the back very carefully before I beat. Bring the pickup to the front. Raise the second half of light color up by pressing treadle 2. I want to twist my warp on the side so that there is no separation between the layers. This completes 1/2 of my pickup. Next time I'll pick up all the whites up by pressing treadle 3. Clear the shed. Now this pickup is going to be opposite of what I did last time. So instead of picking up what I see on the graph, the pattern, I'll be pressing those down to take white layer to the back. So it's going to be the opposite. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pressing down, not picking up. I'll be picking the opposite. Four up. So the blacks I picked up, the whites I'm pressing down. Treadle 5, half of the black layer, push it to the reed. Transfer the cross to the back. Carefully. Beat. Transfer to the pickup to the front. Raise the other half by pressing treadle 6. Beat, and I finish this row right here, which I will highlight so I don't repeat it, and that's it. Easy peasy.